Right guys, we're at top of the rock. This is going to be awesome.
Years ago. New York, Dateline 1928. Newsflash. The Metropolitan Opera and businessman John D. Rockefeller Jr. have announced plans to build a magnificent new opera house right here in the heart of Manhattan.
John D. wants to create more than just buildings. He wants to create a public work of art. A group of welcome you to Top of the Rock.
Okay, we are going to go to the 69th floor.
Welcome to Top of the Rock. 3 levels of inspiring views and exciting experience.
Welcome to top of the rock. Let's check it out. Yeah, that is just incredible, isn't it? Let's do the wide zoom. So many buildings have gone up since we were last here. Not particularly clear today, but it's our best bet of getting the views for you guys. Using the 5 times so we can see the Hudson Yards, clear view of the edge, and there's the 2025 sign where the ball drops. And who can spot Lady Liberty just in the mist there? Got the Freedom Tower, and look at the view there of the Empire State Building. That's just incredible, isn't it? Wow. So amazing. So many buildings have gone up since we were last here. And down there is, right in the middle is Bryant Park. Here we've got the new skylift. This is charged at $35 if you want to go up there to give you one of the best views. Another thing there is got our famous picture of New York. Wow. Got a lot of music playing here, so we're going to have to put some different music on for you guys. Okay, and looking this way, look at beautiful Central Park. I'll zoom in there. Absolutely wonderful. And we've got the Trump Tower there. Wow. Absolutely fabulous, eh? So lucky to be here in New York City today with this fabulous view. Skies are actually starting to clear now. I'm going to spend a long time just looking at this fabulous view. Not many people on the beams. I'm guessing it's due to the cost that they're actually charging. I think it's about $18 to $20 odd or something like that. Wow, I'm gonna have to get my hat out in a minute. It's getting really, really warm. Hope you're enjoying day 1. Just amazing, isn't it? Let's have a look at these new buildings that are going up. Just look at this one. Wow. Just huge. And we have been up one Vanderbilt, which is what we're looking at right now. And if we can zoom into it, you can probably see the observation decks at one Vanderbilt. Really good fun in there. Well worth going to. Good shot of all the people there at top of the rock. Can you believe it's only 8:42 AM? So many people out already. This has got to be one of the best views in the world, isn't it? Of the Empire State Building there. Wow. And everyone's got a smile on their face. They're all enjoying that fabulous view. When you think about it, all the people in these rooms, every single one of those rooms has probably got a TV, a toilet. Crazy. It's a concrete jungle, eh? New York City. Really good view of the MetLife and the Chrysler building there. Just look at the Twin Towers down there. And these massive buildings. Incredible. That's pretty incredible where you get a photo, that famous photo with all those skyscrapers in the background. And you even actually get a hammer to hold up as well. It's a really good thing to do here in New York. Yeah, so the skylift, $35 if you want to do that. I hope you guys have enjoyed Top of the Rock as much as I have. Beautiful day and not too busy up here either. A good view there of the stairlift. Now I did ask whether we could go up there with a 360 camera, but they said no, nothing with a selfie stick, which is a shame. Certainly changed a lot. There's even a beautiful sit-out area where you can come and chill and relax. Look at the beautiful bar and cafe there. How amazing is that?